Today we're here with Pandora at Westfield Stratford, bringing their chatbot Gemma to life as a romance advice guru in time for Valentine's Day.
The objective behind this campaign is really to get people excited about Pandora around Valentine's Day, make sure we're front of mind for gifting, and also drive awareness of our amazing chatbot Gemma.
This whole project was about Foundry, JCDecaux's in-house creative team and our partners in Flying Object, delving into the imagination of Pandora.
I think with activations like this, JCDecaux are really pushing the boundaries of what out of home means.
It's open to everybody in the centre, all ages, all relationship statuses.
Activations can be a really great way of taking something online and bringing it into the physical space.
It's still really important just to have a moment in person, create some fun, create some memories, maybe even something to take a photo of.
We needed to create something that stood out in Westfield, but also held the brand values of Pandora, which is quite a minimalist, quite classy and refined brand.
It's been really exciting today to see so many people taking part, lots of people laughing, smiling, everybody getting involved.
It can be quite daunting going up to an installation like this, but interacting with the screen, it helps with that.
One of the answers I got was a date night idea, which was like recreate your first date, which I thought was quite cute.
It's been really amazing working with Flying Object and JCDecaux on this. We've been able to collaborate really well, bringing together lots of different skill sets, and the whole process has been completely seamless.
When you look at what we've achieved together, it's just kind of a testament to two partners coming together for the benefit of a client and building something really extraordinary.